Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this here, the AKDGY, AKDGY. They need some valves, and it's the VH3140, and we're gonna check this out and see how it is. So it looks like it comes with a rubber gasket of some sort. Let's see what we got going on here. It comes with a bunch of bags to vacuum seal in. We have the device right here and a bunch of stuff that I dropped on the floor. I'm guessing it was just empty. And then the manual and another roll of bags here. And it looks like everything else is out of here for right now. If I see anything, need anything else, we will pull it back out. Okay, so here we are. Let's open this up. So this is what it looks like there. So it says, it's nice. It's got all the little buttons on it and everything, and it looks nice in stainless steel. It'll match everything I have here. So we have these things here. Oh, it's pretty nice. It comes with a place to keep the roll of bags in it, and it came with an extra roll of bags. So it really comes with a lot. Caution to avoid damage the gasket. Please don't lock lid down when storing the machine. Okay, I will keep that in mind. And so we will look at these here. So we're going to try to get this going. I'll plug it in here in a second. Let's see, where's the plug? The plug comes wound up in here, and it looks like there's the vacuum sealer component. So if you want to vacuum seal something that's not inside of the bag, you can use this thing here and it'll suck it in, I guess. So that's kind of nice that it has that extra little feature. So I'll try to aim it this way so everyone can see what I'm doing, and I will plug it in. Okay, so it is plugged in, and so we have all the different light up components here. And so this here is the like rubber sealing gasket, and that's what it came with an extra one of. That's going to go there. So I don't need that for right now. And then these are pre-sized bags, I guess, that you can use, or you can just use this one here, the roll. And I'm going to guess this is probably going to be what heats up right here, so I can, just seal it and then seal it again. So let's actually go and try to turn it on here and see what we got going. Oh, this will go under here. Okay, so let's see if we want to push seal. I wonder if I have to. We'll put it down like that. Okay, so let me go and put this right here. So we will put it down, push that down, and then put seal, and now it should be heating up to seal it. So let's see. Hopefully we're doing it right. Let's read the instructions and see how we did. So sealing. Looks like that should have sealed it, so the light went off. I don't know if you guys can see it here. Let's aim down a little bit. So there, so I did it, and now it said it's sealed. So see, look, right there. So now we have a seal on this little bag. So then, let's see what I want to do here. I want to cut it, and then we'll seal something up in it. I don't have any food to seal at the moment, but let's... Okay, so there. So now we have this here. Let me roll this back up because we don't need that right now. And you see we've already made ourselves a little bag. So let me go and put something in it. So if I put, say, that in there, and then I want to put it like this, so I can put, so what I do is I put the little edge over into it like that, and then you can close it up on there. Make mine in there. Well, I did a bag very short, but okay, so let's put that back in there. So like this, right there. Push it down, and then we can say, vacuum seal. So now you see what it's doing? It's sucking out all the air. So we are going to vacuum out all the air out of our scissors. And then, hopefully now it is sealing. So now you can see the little seal light is on. So now it should be sealing up our scissors. So when the light goes off, oh, there's a little light progress on there. You guys probably can't see that. And I have so many lights on, it's hard to see. So it says 2, 1, 0, and now it's done. Okay, so here we go. So now I have a pair of scissors that are completely vacuum sealed into there. And it looks like if you look at the seal, it makes a double seal, so it really does a good job. So this is a really well sealed pair of scissors now. Now I can't cut it open because I did my scissors. But how cool is this? So this is the, and it looks like, you know, the Progress has the countdown timer and everything like that. It's a really nice setup, and it looks great. So I'm just going to put it on my counter. I'll probably put it over there. But then we also have like the ability to do some sealing, so we can suck things out of here. So if I do like canister, it's going to be sucking on this here. So that's what that's going to do. Let me turn that off, cancel. And then we have marinate, so that I'm going to be able to suck up some air to marinate stuff. And then we have dry, moist, liquid, so depending on how we want to seal it, how much pressure we want to do. So I have it on normal pressure right now. So it's pretty cool that it has all these different features, and it's super easy to use, and I like the way it keeps the roll in there. So this is a really great little device, super awesome, and I love that it comes with an extra roll of bags. I mean, I have tons of bags too because I do vacuum sealing, and it comes with this one here too. So you can vacuum seal anything, even if you want to pack and go somewhere and you want to pack up all your clothes, you can probably just seal it all up and use this. So super cool device, and it's by AKDGY, and you saw in just a couple of minutes, I don't even know how long this video is, I got this thing going from nothing, not even knowing how to use it, to sealing up my scissors. So super awesome, thumbs up.